This bundle comes with 4 tool suites: the Volatility Footprint, the Volatility Breakout Trader, the Volatility Scanner, and the Exit Grid, which I'll show you how they all work together to help you capture the highest probability 20 to 100 plus tick moves that happen every single day. First, we're looking at the Volatility Footprint in the ES chart below to see if the market is in those medium to high volatility zones we want to take those trades in. Now we can scan through multiple markets very quick. As you can see here, this confirms we're in a medium to high volatility environment, so we're safe to trade any instrument we want. Next, we have the Volatility Breakout Scanner. Over here, you can see the scanner has indicated several high probability breakout setups happening. We can add those to the market analyzer to scan for breakout trade opportunities. Now, as soon as it finds a high probability breakout trade, we'll get a visual alert, a plot on your chart, audio or email alerts as well. Then you simply go to the chart and execute. Now, we can also visually scan for trade opportunities by adding the Volatility Breakout Trader indicator directly to the chart, which looks like this. Now, this is a visual component of the indicator. We can see here's the volatility contraction box. We have a high and a low line. As soon as volatility breaks out of this box, we have our volatility breakout trade entry. In this case, we have an entry to the short side, which results in a nice breakout trade of about 25 ticks. Now let me just scroll through the charts and look at a couple of other opportunities through a typical session for you before I zoom in and show you how it works in real time. Here we had a short breakout too, which is good for about 30 more ticks. Now scrolling back a little bit, we see we have a long breakout here, which is good for about 100 ticks. Okay, now that the scanner has helped us find these awesome breakouts, let's take a look at how we enter and exit the trade in real time with our third tool suite. This is the Volatility Breakout Trader tool, and we're in a market replay of the ES. You can see here it's plotting a volatility contraction box, which helps us find our entry triggers. When the volatility contraction has ended, the box becomes static. After that, there's a low and a high established, a volatility box high and a volatility box low. As soon as those are both established, we're looking for a breakout either to the upside or to the downside. That's our entry trigger. Now you see the box is established. The market is breaking to the downside, so we place our entry here. Now we can use the Volatility Breakout Trader tool in 2 different ways. The first way is an individual indicator, which shows us the exact trade entry to the up or downside. Or 2, you can activate the auto trade function by connecting the NinjaTrader ATM strategy with this indicator to automatically enter a long or a short position as soon as the entry is valid. We can use the auto trade function of the indicator where we can use preset market orders, limits, or stop orders. Alright, and so now we're in this short trade. And I'll speed up the market a little bit for you to show you how it plays out here. You see, right after the market broke through the low of the box here, which was our short entry trigger, it immediately went down for about 20 ticks. Now, you can see why we wait to see if this is the end of the breakout. But as you can see, the market is not done selling off yet, which we love. At this point, from peak to trough here, we've got an 80 tick move. Now, it looks like it's actually more like a 120 tick move for a short trade. Now, here's the 4th tool suite in the bundle. It's called the Exit Grid Indicator, which gives you visual confidence to stay in your winning trades for maximum profits. It also helps us manage our trades visually, giving us guidance where to put our stops, manage our targets when we're in the trade, so we avoid that emotional decision and trade with far more confidence. So as you can see, all 4 tool suites are really easy to use, so anyone can find and trade the same 20, 60, and even 100 plus tick trades you've seen in just the last few minutes alone. If you're ready to stop chasing false breakouts and start making money from the explosive moves volatility creates every day, then let me show you everything else you get with these powerful tool suites.